It's so cold.
It's cold. It's cold.
Great news, Southwest Florida. It's our November clearance event at Galliana Kia in Fort Myers. No reasonable offer refused on any new Kia in stock. Every new Kia available with no money down and no payments till
Are you going again?
2020.
Yeah.
Select models with
Are you
no
going? Or?
interest financing for 66 months. That's right.
I'm tubing, bro.
For 66 months. But wait, there's more.
So you're not?
Any new Kias are going to be.
I said, are you tubing?
For any qualified Kia Optima sedan. And take home a minimum of $5,000
You want me to?
in cash.
It's like 40 seconds long already.
$1,000 in Christmas cash. Worry about your
Why?
Don't sweat it. Our lenders can get almost anyone approved.
Whoa. You ready? Come on, you big chungies. Shark. Timmy Thicks. Tastes salty. Feels great. Bro, I'm so salty.
Hey, hold on 1 second. We're gonna go back one more trip.
Okay. Alright.
Time to shop and save for the holidays. The gift of organic skincare and body works. Receive 10%
I'm telling you, cold.
Yes, Paul?
I'm not.
or visit Organic Skincare and Body Works at 41 in Naples across from Toyota
I want to
Lexus.
temp 70.
Hi, welcome to Great Clips. How are you
74,
today?
that's not bad.
Yeah, feels good.
What was that?
You're not jumping in
Sorry,
again?
that's a bit of a 4-letter word.
Next time I'm going in the water, it's tubing.
Baby.
Rhymes with wood.
Oh
Great.
my god, it's cold. Can I jump in? Oh my god, it's cold.
From saving your haircut details and clip notes to saving you time with online check-in, choosing Great Clips means never settling for enough.
You want to hey, jump in or you want to take a fish here? You want a fish? Take
Great
this.
Clips.
Put a squirrel fish on there.
Okay.
I'll let you know when to drop it.
Hold on.
They're afraid of jumping in anymore, so we'll go one more trip and then we'll go.
Braden, why are you cold? Ow.
His head?
Come here. No. So slimy. Go in. Do we drop them?
Keep them on the bottom. Last strip. See what we can get. Maybe in my car.
No, I think I just hit bottom.
Having fun? So do you not like tubing or do you like tubing?